how to do the finger hands.
He looking like, what? You got messy fingers? Say that's because I was eating some cheese twists.
Yeah? Because and so
He just want to give you some of his Pop-Tart. Oh no, it broke. Oh no, what happened, baby? Oh. What he doing? Look, he trying to give you some more. Puppy. So you already made him break his Pop-Tart.
I'm trying to give you a hug. Bye. You can say the mouth now.
I'm back with another video, and today we doing a mukbang.
A
mukbang. And what are we having?
We got some
tacos. We got some tacos. You see those tacos? Some got cheese, some don't. And we have corn.
Mommy, yes. You got some apples.
And Janaya has nachos because she's a picky eater and she doesn't like tacos.
No.
So we're gonna get started.
Yeah.
So what are we talking about?
I don't know. We got some Q&A questions. Sorry. Some questions. Yep.
You can read them.
Okay. I don't know some of them.
All right. What's the first question?
Okay. The first question is, who is your hero?
Who's my hero?
Yeah.
Who's your hero?
My hero is.
You can eat.
My hero is Flash.
Why?
Because it goes super fast. Okay. My hero is Mommy because she works fast. And because she does everything to keep us healthy and stuff like that.
My hero is my mother. It's on my bed. I forgot. My hero is my mother because she is a hero.
Wow.
She's awesome, you know?
Jibber, who's your hero?
You want a taco?
You need a stack?
Oh, you done with the taco meat? You just want a whole taco? Alright, I'm gonna get you a taco. Alright, what's the next question?
Next
Hold on,
question is, if you could live anywhere, where would it be? Huh?
I would live on an island. A really nice island with beautiful water and beautiful sand and nobody's about it.
Like the beach. I would. I would live at New York City.
Why?
Because it's fun there and cool, and you and Dad went there for your birthday.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. I would live in Hawaii.
Why?
Hawaii. Seems fun.
It seems fun. What seems fun about it?
It's warm.
Okay.
I feel the cups over there. I feel the cups over there.
I'll put this in it.
Okay.
Broke it.
Oh, next question is, what is your biggest fear? My biggest fear? Mommy, go first.
My biggest fear
Say it loud.
is failing my children.
My biggest fear is everything. Because I'm scared of looking back and like, yeah. Okay.
What? What are you scared of?
Everything.
You scared of everything? So you scared of me?
Yep.
So you're not scared of everything.
Okay, so I'm scared of monsters.
Alright.
My biggest fear is... My biggest fear
Come over some.
is... spiders. No. What's my biggest fear? Yeah, spiders. Spiders and other scary bugs. Like that?
Alright, what's the next question?
What's the next? Okay, so question. Next question is, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is
Come
red.
over.
My favorite color is red.
Red?
Yeah.
What's your favorite color, Nana?
My favorite color is yellow and
Only
light blue. Color. Okay, so just yellow.
What's my favorite color?
Pink.
What kind of pink?
What's it called? Fuchsia.
What's my favorite color?
Blue. I don't know.
You got a favorite color yet? Yeah.
I think it's blue. Dad, give me like, what is your favorite animal? Black whale?
Cheetah.
Hey!
That's mine. What's yours?
A cheetah!
What does a cheetah look like?
I know what cheetah looks like, but I forgot. My favorite animal is elephant. And then my you kind of see me taking a little bit of favorite animal is being Okay. Next question is,
What's your favorite season?
favorite season? Oh, spring. Yeah. Spring. My favorite season
Fall.
is snow.
Winter?
Snow.
Your favorite is the winter time when it's snow?
Yeah, it's because I can play in the snow.
Oh yeah, it was snowing earlier.
Yeah, but it's not all snow.
Okay, so the next question is, would you rather ride a bike or ride a horse?
A horse.
A bike.
Car or car.
A bike.
A horse.
A bike and a
horse.
motorcycle. A bike and a motorcycle. Because I got a bike for my birthday, and I want to get a motorcycle when I get really big.
You want to ride a horse?
Yeah.
Remember that time you were supposed to be riding a horse and you got scared?
And I did
And
it.
then it came paid for you to do it and then you backed out.
I did it. Okay. Next question is, what would you sing at a karaoke night?
I will sing.
Body yada yada yada.
I will sing my favorite Hawaii.
A real song. A real song. You know what he's singing? Body yada yada yada.
I will sing. I will sing horses in the bag.
That's very true.
I would sing Top 10.
I was about to say he would sing that. What would I sing?
Just said bye.
Yeah, I was about to say that Christmas song. How it go? Christmas is you. Yeah, I was singing that. That's what you want to sing?
Next question is, favorite song is
What really makes you angry?
When my kids don't listen after I say the same thing millions of times.
What makes me angry is my friends being mean.
What makes me angry when I have my hand up and my teacher doesn't call me.
So that's sad.
That makes you sad or angry?
Both. Okay. Next question. I keep on forgetting that I'm supposed to be reading the question. That's fine. I keep on getting cheese on me.
You still don't want to join us? You want to join? We're asking Jasmine to join us. She keeps looking at me like I'm an alien.
So would you? Okay. Next question is: what would you rather do? Wash the dishes, mow the lawn, clean the bathroom, or vacuum the house?
I will vacuum the house. I mean, I would take the trash out. But
That wasn't an option.
I will vacuum the house.
I would vacuum the house.
Well,
Because it's barely any carpet.
I will clean the dishes then. I will clean the dishes.
I would vacuum.
What you say, Jeff? You would do the dishes?
Okay.
Jasmine would do the dishes.
Now I will vacuum. I mean, how is
Now I'm gonna vacuum the house.
I'm gonna sweep.
That's not an option.
I don't know. What you said? Oh, I will do the laundry.
The laundry.
The laundry.
But
Okay,
doing
next
the laundry
question.
an option?
No,
Yeah.
none of those things that you said was an option.
Really?
Okay, next question. Whatever.
No. Can I do some of that?
Eat your nacho. Eat your tacos.
What the hell is this?
I don't know.
If
Oh, sorry, I forgot the stuff over here.
Okay. You already did.
tell me good that.
So, you want some?
Okay. Next question is: if you could hire someone to help you, would it be with cleaning, cooking, or yard work?
Cleaning and yard work, so their mom wouldn't have to do it.
I
Because
will.
I don't know how to do yard work.
I will do. I will do cooking and cleaning. I mean, clean the
Yard
yard.
Yard work. Definitely yard work.
If I had somebody to do all the cleaning, would you hire somebody to do all your cooking, all your cleaning, or all your yard work?
Dude, we just
You
got
don't
the date today.
I think I would take all my cleaning because that has to be done more regularly than yard. Do all my cleaning up for me.
I agree.
I'll agree.
What?
I will agree.
You would agree? Okay.
I don't know what that means, but
Don't say it.
Next question. If you could choose to do anything for a day, what would it be?
I like being a Kim Dean relax.
No school.
And relax.
Yep, I will watch the TV.
You do that all the time anyway.
Exactly.
To everybody know that.
Everybody knows what?
Then he just watched TV. Oh, you know what? Would relaxing include going to the nail salon and getting a nice manicure and pedicure?
I will.
And a massage.
I will go to the trampoline park and play with all my new friends. That's in.
Okay, so the next question is, what is your favorite book to read?
Mine
is Dog Man.
Cat for sale. Or no.
Captain Underpants. Hi.
What's your favorite book to read?
Captain
Chicka chicka boom boom.
Underpants.
What'd you say?
We don't even read.
Dork Diaries? What's your favorite book that your teacher read to you in school? Or something we read here?
How do I eat the cat?
I was about to say that.
Hold on.
Jeremiah like
Halloween.
yeah, what's that Halloween one?
The Halloween books.
The one that makes noises?
Yeah.
No, it's the other one that he liked better than that. It was like the pumpkins or the fence or something like that.
The pumpkin fence.
Was the night before, what is it?
Right?
Was the night before Halloween, is that it? It's like a Christmas Halloween sort of thing.
Yeah, I think so. And we got books, and they like, I think it count down. What's your favorite story? Huh? You heard me. Mine's is the carrot seed. That's still your favorite story, Mom?
That's my favorite children's book. My favorite book is the Bible.
The Bible.
Yes, yes, yes.
The next question is kind of weird, okay?
Okay.
Yes, yes.
The next question is kind of weird, okay?
Yes, yes, yes.
Have you ever had a nickname? What is it?
My nickname will be
Have you ever had a what?
a nickname.
We all got nicknames. Nana, Pop Pop, Steph,
No.
Jer Bear,
Jazzy,
Jazzy,
Kim,
Mine.
Kim's.
Mine.
Man, Kate.
I'm gonna say mine.
Okay, what's your,
Mine will be
what is it? Not what it will be.
What's your nickname?
is
Well, for me anyway. What do I call you?
Liam.
First of all, that's not even your name, dude. That's Jeremiah's middle name. I just told you what your nickname is. What do Nanny Kim's call you? The question is not what is your middle name. First of all, that's not your middle name. That's Jeremiah's middle name. Your middle name is Devin.
Devin.
What is your nickname? Not your middle name. No, Devin is your middle name. A nickname is a name that's not yours, but people call you that. Pop Pop. Pop Pop is your nickname.
Saya.
Or Saya.
Mine is from Saya.
Okay.
So that's not my nickname.
Okay.
Mom, I had a nickname as a baby. Pop used to call me Steffi Baby.
Steffi Cakes,
Or
right?
No, not Steffi Baby.
Steffi baby.
Steffi baby.
Yeah, because Shanika reminded me because she said it.
Okay, so since we was talking about middle names, what is everybody's middle name? Mine is Hope.
Mine is mine is Saya.
Oh my God!
Hey.
I just told you what your middle name is.
Not
Devin.
I'm not telling me that too. My middle name is Devin.
What's Jeremiah's middle name?
Liam.
Liam.
What's Jaz's middle name?
Faith.
What's
And
my
mommy?
middle name?
Alberta. Yes.
Yes. What's Nanny Kim's middle name?
I don't know.
Auntie Nikki.
Hmm?
I didn't care. What the heck?
Gladys.
Gladys. Gladys.
Oh.
Mom, who am I named after? Who am my middle name after?
My grandmother, Alberta Epperson. And I'm named after, well, my middle name is after my great-grandmother, Pop's mom. Her name is Gladys Clements.
Nice.
Oh.
Those are some interesting names.
Cool. Mom, I don't want my other doctor.
Okay. You gonna want it later, so you gonna take it. Alright, let's do one more question.
Wow.
Get out of here.
Let's do the rest.
Not even.
Okay.
Two more. Alright.
Say one. Jeremiah, you pretty taco up.
But I don't have it.
What's the question?
I don't have it.
Use that.
Come
just
on.
Yeah, I need.
That's why you don't want your taco, because any other time you would have been asking me for the third taco by now.
I'm gonna make up 2 questions.
What is your favorite food?
Ribs.
Spaghetti.
Really?
Mine is spaghetti sandwich.
Meatballs.
Meatball sandwich.
Ew, what?
Cheese
You
fries.
never had my
Cheese
favorite
fries.
flavor.
Cheese fries. Cheese fries.
What's Jeremiah's favorite food?
Ah, that's ridiculous.
French fries.
Pizza.
Oh yeah, oh my goodness, I forgot. What's your
Oh,
favorite?
he tired. I just said ribs.
Oh yeah. That. Oh, she
She
said.
said spaghetti.
Okay, another question.
One more. And then we gotta wrap it up because Jeremiah tired.
What is your favorite? What is your favorite?
Don't look
thing
at
to
your
sit on?
bill.
Floor. I
I'm
mean,
back over here.
some options to sit on. What would you rather pick?
Say that again.
I'll give you 3 options. What would you rather sit on?
Sit on?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the option?
The floor,
How does it say?
the floor,
A chair
a chair, or a bed.
A bed.
or bench or rocking chair.
A bed.
Oh. How about
What would you rather sit on?
mommy bed?
My bed. Why my bed specifically? What would you want to sit on?
No, I'm clean.
Janaya.
I said a bed.
What you want to sit on?
A bed.
Okay. I think Jeremiah would be okay with sitting on the floor because he loves just sitting on the floor.
Or laying on the floor.
Next to me, next to me. I love laying on the floor too.
All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.
Bye.